Okay, first thing you do, you need one good-sized potato for each person that's going to be eating. At least one good-sized potato for each person. If you want leftovers, you're going to have to do more. Wash your potatoes really good before you peel them and after you peel them. Because after you peel them, you're going to have little pieces of stuff that is in there. It's not coming. Man, let me get it off. You're going to have little pieces of peeling, though, that are in there, and you don't want that in there. So, I like to have a little bit left over, so I'm doing 4 potatoes for us right now. So, get you a good-sized pot. You want it big enough because potatoes like to boil over. Hang on, I forgot to get my knife. Alrighty. You just want to cut these to where they can cook pretty evenly, so try to get all of them about the same size. Okay, I got my potatoes cut up. You're going to want to add some salt to it. Pretty good bit. And then I'm going to add some water. I'll be right back. Okay, I covered them pretty good, but it's not so full that it's going to try to boil out. So I'm going to put this on stovetop, and we're going to cook it on a medium-high temperature for however long it takes. It's about 15 minutes until they get fork tender. You want to be able to stick a fork in there and they come out. I mean, they don't come out. They just fall right off. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, while those are cooking, I have a half a stick of butter for how many I did. If you are making it for a great big crowd, gosh, that would be, I did a half a stick of butter for about actually 3 good-sized potatoes is what that was. So if you're doing 6 good-sized potatoes, 3/4 to a full stick. But I'm going to put some evaporated milk in here with it. Just a little bit. That's probably maybe a 1/4 of a cup. About a 1/4 of a cup of evaporated milk. And I'm going to stick this in the microwave. Get it melted and warm. But I'm not going to turn it on though until my potatoes are ready. So I will come back. Alrighty, got my potatoes in here. I melted that butter and that milk. I'm going to pour this in here. It's nice and hot. So you don't want to put cold milk and cold butter in your potatoes because you'll just make them cold. Alrighty, hang on just a sec. Alright, I'm going to do these very slowly at first so they're not popping up out of there. Hot potatoes. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going to taste those in just a second. Yep, need some salt. Let's see if that'll do it. I need a little bit more evaporated milk too. Not quite as creamy as I like. There you go. They are super creamy.